in Nani's house.
You can
There
send me
are
photo
only
later. I like to see Legos because it is something very interesting.
My brother made.
Acha,
Not
wait,
me,
wait.
my
We
Let's
were
brother.
at a hotel when we got our caricature made.
Oh my God, that's nice. Ek second, let me just see. Show Veda. Everyone see, caricature is something very interesting. You know why? Because you have to notice, you have to observe the person's face and pick up the characteristic. कुछ होता है किसी का नाक मोटा, किसी की आंखें बड़ी.
There was a Joker and there was Charlie Chaplin trying to distract us. It was very fun.
Acha, okay. Oh, they are
Well,
not
that-
distracting, poor people. It's their job to make you laugh. They're not there
Yes,
for
ma'am, and it
distracting.
was working very well for me.
Haan.
Ma'am,
Oh, Sharyu, that's nice. You know, you can do some shading in her frock, beta. Especially the frill wala portion. You can do some more shading. Mast zale. That's beautiful, bacha.
ma'am,
Who is ready?
and this
Ma'am,
one.
actually at my home, I will go get it. It's like somewhere.
Sharyu, I'm coming back to you. Wait a minute. I will see everyone's. I love these sessions. Aha, that's beautiful, Anaga.
Ma'am, one more.
If you have more than one, just keep them ready. So we
Ma'am,
can
can I
see one go.
Can I show the artwork?
You can. This is free time of 5 minutes.
Yes, ma'am.
Anaga, ready ka? नाही तर दुसऱ्यांचं पण परत येते मी. I'm here only. That's okay. No problem. Yeah, show beta. Aha, that's beautiful, bacha.
Ma'am,
Beautiful pickup.
and then can you see this?
Nahi, wait. I can't see it. Veda, wait, beta. Sharyu, that's beautiful, bacha. You know, there was some funny movie where coconut trees were in W shape. Some funny movie, Golmaal. I don't remember. Dhamal. Sharyu, show this again. Show this again. Children, see, this is a very beautiful picture. How did you manage the white part, beta?
This one,
Clouds,
I just
clouds.
smudged it.
You smudged it. Did you color that part or you just left white first?
I just left it white.
It has come really beautiful. I love that effect, bacha.
Thank you. And then this. Ma'am,
Oh, that's nice.
ma'am, can I show mine? Ma'am,
Yeah. Wait.
and this also.
Okay. That's nice. You have to learn the face, I guess. ठीक है, but you are good, doing good.
Ma'am, and these are all the pencil sketches I've made on my own.
Acha, coming to you with the 1 minute. This is beautiful. Is this from Pinterest?
No, actually, I just.
Acha, this is from Pinterest. I have seen a similar picture, na? But it has eyes and nose and ears, facial layers.
I actually have that stuff that it is made out of
Clay.
something I didn't
Mural.
know. Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Coming.
Can I show now?
Everyone can show. Ruk jao, bas ruk jao.
I made this.
Ma'am,
Show
These
Veda.
are all my drawings.
Oh.
That is
Ma'am.
That's beautiful. I like the shading part. Beautiful. You want to
Ma'am,
be fashion designer or what, Veda?
ma'am,
I made this. And ma'am, so a few days I made this rangoli.
Okay, that's
Ma'am.
nice.
Ma'am, I made
ma'am, can you hear me? Ma'am?
Yeah, we can hear you.
Yes. Ma'am, when I was...
रुक जाओ. अरे wait. Let's go to boys ना. Boys ने कुछ नहीं दिखाया. 1 second.
I got it.
1 second. I will just change my internet service.
Your voice. Ma'am, can I show something?
Everyone is getting a chance. Don't cry. I said I'm just changing my internet service provider. Boys, what do you have? I have not
Ma'am.
seen any single thing from boys team.
Ma'am, when I was small, my mother used to draw something. I used to paint it and cut it. Something like this.
Are kasla bhari. Let me see.
Can you
Hey,
see?
wow, that's beautiful.
Ma'am,
Something
that's
really
Oho.
different.
Ma'am,
That's Zapdos.
Acha. I'm sorry. I really poor knowledge. I'm sorry.
Victini.
Kasla bhari. Very good.
Giratina.
I don't know.
Are wah, kya baat hai. Shabash. So why did you not use these things in your stories and all?
Ma'am, means?
Means you could have used it very creatively in the stories or any of our discussions and all.
No, ma'am. Actually, I was not in this house that time. I just came here.
Yeah.
Today.
Okay. Otherwise, you have ready props with you. Ajun kai paije.
Yes.
Ma'am, I made
That's
this
good.
also.
Who is ready now? Tanishka. Huh. She was crying like, can I show? Chalo, dikhao bachcha. Is that some envelope?
Yes.
Ah, that's nice. Wallet, huh? Even Samanyu made a similar wallet. Very good, beta. Shabash.
Ma'am, Samanyu hasn't shown yet.
Because he is he just came out of his gaming zone, na. You know,
Ma'am, can I show something?
you know, you all need at least 5-10 minutes when you come out of your gaming zone. है ना? फटाफट settle नहीं होते तुम लोग. You need 10 minutes का time to settle down. So
Yes.
he is still settling.
Ma'am, can I show
Yes. Who is ready? Who is ready? Who is ready?
Ma'am, I'm ready.
I'm ready.
Are someone who did not show. Ruk ja. Shall you have seen yours? Wait.
Anagha.
Anagha showed na? ठीक है.
Ma'am,
Anagha
Anshika.
Also shown.
that's nice, Anshika.
I made this on Earth.
That's beautiful. Very nice.
Painting on a drawing on that.
Right. We did a similar one, thoda sa different for Earth Day. In our drawing classes, we did it.
Ma'am, send it for water day.
Ma'am, Acha, you have one more. Okay.
Mermaid.
Ma'am, I have many.
Mermaid.
For our school, we
She
had
likes mermaid.
So I had made this.
Okay, do you know what is it called? Another
I also
baby?
made
Anshika
that
baby.
Mermaid.
Anshika, what is this called? Do you know?
Ma'am, I don't know. I just searched it.
Ma'am, I will
This
go
is
check.
available.
She
on
told me
Pinterest.
also. I made
that's yummy.
Ma'am, and
Okay, anyone knows Anshika, what Anshika shows? What is the name of it?
Ma'am, I don't know.
क्या है? बोलो.
what is that Elsa?
Anshika showed it, na? The earlier ice cream wala thingy.
No.
That's called
Yes.
kawaii drawing. Okay, that's called kawaii drawing. You can search on Pinterest.
Something purple thing, unicorn type.
I saw it. Yes.
This I made for I'm holding it.
Bacha party, excellent. Anyone remaining?
I didn't get a
Ma'am,
chance.
can I show one for 1 minute?
Are someone said they did not get chance. Jiska chance nahi, uska
not get
chance
chance.
Save
Ma'am,
Earth. That's
me.
beautiful, bacha.
Ma'am, Ayushi.
Ayushi, हाँ Ayushi, बोल बच्चा. अरे mute मत करो ना फिर. You don't have to keep yourself on mute. This is free session. दिखाओ. Then Dwani, Dwani, Raksha and Samanyu. These I have to push them. These three kids are now. Arre wow, the shading part is beautiful, bacha. Even reflection is beautiful. Amazing, Ayushi.
And I made this also.
मस्त किया ये shading.
I made the same drawing.
Yeah.
Ma'am, then I also made some guns.
Oh my goodness. Acha, okay. I saw the first time someone drawing guns, huh? That's nice.
Thank you, ma'am.
That's nice.
See this much, ma'am.
I made this.
Who was that?
Mom, I made this.
Who was that? Who was that?
Me.
Yes, Sharayu, I saw that.
This is Elsa. I have to color it.
हाँ, एल्सा तो उसके सिस्टर के साथ आएगी.
Ma'am, Sharayu,
Beta, let me check who did not show anything. Arnav, Dhwani, Raksha and Samanyu. They did not show anything. Sharvi दिखा है क्या बच्चा?
Ma'am, when I was in UK, there was a girl named Anna. When I was in UK, there was a girl named Anna.
अच्छा, okay. Dhwani,
My friend's name is also Anna.
Ma'am.
Oh, happy birthday, Papa. Oh, that's pop-up card. मस्त है रे ध्वनि.
Ma'am.
एक second. I just have to skip through. I mean, I have to change the views. Okay, you can show from there. Oh. Okay, Samanyu, maybe you can sit here if you want.
Ma'am.
Just a second, children. No, sit here. This is recording is going on.
Ma'am, I can show something. I had made homemade Hot Wheel track.
Okay, you can show. Okay, Samanyu is showing something. There is poor internet, so he's showing here.
Paper wallet, like there's a pocket here and there's a pocket here.
I can't see clearly.
I can.
He loves making very difficult craft actually.
Ma'am, I made this.
This is very simple for him.
Oh, yeah, now I can
want
see.
In the school or something.
Ma'am,
This for Father's Day.
I made the same.
Yeah, he was taught this in the school. Otherwise, he likes to do some very complicated craft. जो कभी-कभी मुझको भी नहीं चेपता है.
I made this.
Yes, Anshika, I saw it. Sharayu, मस्त है गौरानी. Okay, I think you should wind up. Chalo. Lots of things you have. Sharayu, last, come on, quickly show it. It was something beautiful, so I thought. Have you, Dad? Yeah.
Are we showing something?
That's beautiful. Pop-up card, mast hai Sharayu.
Can I show something?
Arnav. Only Arnav is remaining, I think. Arnav, show it.
I had made it of cardboard.
Acha, dakhav. Arnav and then Sharvi and then we will stop. Yes, Arnav, what is it?
Hot Wheels track.
दिसत नाही आहे, sorry. दाखव ना नीट. आरामात. Oh my goodness, that's very complicated. अच्छा, just if you have a Hot Wheel, just put there ना, तो समझेगा किधर से जा रही है गाड़ी.
I had made. Ma'am, I will show you in some minutes. It's in cupboard.
अच्छा, it's okay, beta. It's okay, राहू देत मग. But fantastic, this needs lot of patience and efforts. Yes. Very good, Arnav. Sharvi?
Ma'am, I have only one drawing.
That's okay, show. Areva. You like sketching portraits or what?
No, ma'am.
I
don't like so much, but yes, sometimes.
Ma'am, that portrait looks like BTS. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, it's my friend's favorite. Is that BTS?
Yes.
Wow.
Can you tell me full form? I don't even know.
Ma'am, it's a boy band.
Ma'am, that's only, the name is only BTS.
It is a band.
Only BTS.
It's
so boring. I hate it.
BTS
It's a band. It's very boring.
It's a boy band. No, it's not boring, okay? It's not boring. See, Sharayu, some people have a different opinion about some things, like me about Roblox.
Acha, okay.
Meaning by Bangtan Sonangtan.
Acha, chalo, bas.
See WhatsApp. My mother sent some photo.
Okay, I will. Wait, I will just check. Children, so this was a very cute one. You might have felt कि अरे छोटे बच्चों वाला है, but there is something really interesting which you must have understood from the story. So क्या है बताओ. You can unmute yourself.
It was like he was taking in money for himself, and like he was just getting rich.
Ma'am,
Like he was.
Ma'am, it's not the price of the gift; it's the gesture.
Yeah. एक minute. हाँ, एक minute, Veda. Yeah, Avnish was saying something. Thumbs up.
Yes, ma'am. Like it's almost he is like he's selling his books, and then he is like acting that he doesn't have money, and then he is he's almost like he's going to spend it for himself, but then he gives it to his sister.
Right.
And then even though it was pretty costly, it was still the emotions that
Emotions matter, and not the gift size matter. And another thing is, like, sometimes it might happen, like you are now old kids, but ठीक है, कभी-कभी हो सकता है, it might happen sometimes, like on your birthday or maybe some special occasions, you get a small gift from a friend and you get a bigger gift from other friend. You might feel, or someone might feel, oh, he gave me a bigger gift, so he will be my really good friend. And the one who gave a smaller gift, maybe the one which you don't like also, and you might feel, oh, no, he or she can't be my friend. So that is not the case, children, because you never know how much pains they have taken to buy that particular gift, or maybe how many sacrifices they have made to get that gift for you.
Exactly,
like he gave away his English book.
He gave away his book and newspapers, and he didn't buy an ice cream.
Yeah. He is a small child, so his sacrifices are also small. But then finally he made that 500 rupees.
Ma'am, please see the photo and tell me.
Okay.
Ma'am, I used to do these same poses that Sharvi just put.
Ma'am, but he was too small.
Acha, children, don't use gadgets now, because I wanted you all to see the videos which I chose for you, so that these are not the usual ones. एक बार देख लो, then we'll come to the photos and the gadgets also. I mean, whatever, if you're sharing something, I will just check it.
I was sick and my dog didn't leave. Okay. And ma'am, the dogs have sick. I don't know. They have some sense that when there is a storm or some disaster coming, then they can sense it.
Yeah, so they can. Yeah, they have that ability. You know what was the best part? Anagha and Sharvi, they just were like this when the lady was crossing. And I was looking at that.
I can't see because cracking.
Yeah. I think the best part of this story is just keep trying, and definitely you will get success.
I almost cried the first time I watched it.
Oh, okay. And now the last video for you all. I have
after the video, can we dance?
Yeah, we can start performances. We can dance and we can show the performances also. Musical instruments part.
Everyone.
Sharvi, are you ready?
Yeah, ma'am. I do this anytime, anywhere.
Okay, chalo, do it, beta.
Ma'am, I also wear leggings.
You can go on right side. Thoda aur piche jao. Excellent. Very nice. Very good, Sharvi bacha.
I have to do this.
Aram se. Do it slowly, gently. Be gentle with your body. Wow. That's nice. Very good, Sharvi. Okay, who is the next?
तनिष्का ये दिख रही है ना?
Yeah, her mama is there. Sequence wali dress. Huh? Today morning only I came to know the name. Sequence ki dress. Yeah. What are you going to perform?
I'm going to do. Well, I was thinking of doing the same thing. I was trying to do yoga. I was thinking of doing yoga too.
No, you can do anything. Come on. It's performance time. You can do anything.
Oh. Can I still do yoga?
Yeah, yoga, dance, or music, or singing, anything. Come on.
Oh.
Oh my God, that's amazing. Very nice, Raksha. You have to be very gentle with your body, bacha. Aram se karo, aram se karo.
Well, I did it for fun.
Yeah. No, don't do it for fun. You should take training and then only you should do it, okay? So what we are doing is we are performing. So you can do anything. Don't focus on the yoga thing. Next is Anaga.
Yeah, I wanted to show a split.
Okay.
Okay. First, I have to set my camera.
Yeah, children, please set your cameras, everyone. Set your cameras if you are going to do something on the floor. First, adjust the camera. One by one, everyone's chance is there. So don't worry. You just adjust your camera so we save the time. Come on, come on. Oh, you
I did a split.
I know, but you have to adjust the camera. We can't see it.
Okay.
Excellent. When I could see the pose, I could
It's
imagine.
really hard.
Please adjust the camera, children. पहले camera adjust कर लो. Okay, Tanishka, are you ready?
Yeah, she's ready.
Oh, she went to terrace, huh? Very good. Okay, come on, start beta. Oh, that's nice. I thought you will put some music also.
I can do this for 17 to 18 minutes.
Wow, that's nice. Very good. Okay, shabash bacha. Or next time when you show it, do it with music, huh? Mast lagega, because I have seen your video with music. Okay, Arnav, are you ready? Let us give chance to boys also. Minority hai. Kahan gaye bacche hamare? Arnav, ready kare? Bada?
Ma'am, I am gonna do abacus.
Oh my God. Acha, okay. Something different. Chal, dikhao bacha.
Three like this.
Okay. So we should give you some or what?
Yes, you should give some.
काय द्यायचं तुला addition subtraction काय देऊ दे?
Plus.
Addition द्यायचंय. How many digits?
3 or 2.
3 or 2. Okay. 575.
575
plus 289.
Plus 289. 864.
That's good. Who is cross-checking? Come on, children. Anyone cross-checking? Yes, that's correct, Veda.
Ma'am, can you repeat?
अरे उसका आंसर हो गया हम रिपीट कर रहे हैं. It was no. Why you want to repeat it? You were going to play some musical instruments. Then you went to yoga. Then you went to abacus. What is happening?
Yoga.
ठीक है. Whatever you want to do. Come on. Oh my God. आराम से, आराम से, आराम से. आराम से. Very good. Okay. I was hoping to listen to some music or something. कौन कर रहा है? Yes, Anshika. Next will be Veda. And then one boy. We'll take one boy. अंशिका.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I have to remove my headphones.
हाँ निकाल दो बच्चा. Whoa. So how much you can do in one go? That's nice. That's beautiful. Excellent. Excellent. Okay. अरे बस बच्चा चक्कर आ जाएगा. That's amazing. That's amazing. Very nice. Okay, you were not able to hear. I was just asking you how many you can do in one go.
Ma'am, I can do 1 minute.
Acha, okay. That's nice. You know, girls, you should put some music in the background. So it's really interesting to watch. Okay, अनघा 1 मिनिट थांबा आता ज्यांचं झालं नाही एकदा त्यांना कव्हर करू आपण आधी. Samanyu Sarda, switch on your video. Your hand is raised. Vani is also there. Or you want to do something, Samanyu? Unmute.
I will sing a song.
Wow, okay.
अलबेला सजन आयो रे अलबेला सजन आयो रे मोरा अति मन सुख पायो रे अलबेला सजन आयो रे अलबेला अलबेला अलबेला
Class I took.
अलबेला वेगमपधप मगमपधनी ध वेगमपधप मगमपधनी नी नी धनी साय सनी धनी साय गैग सागरे साय सनी धप मग अलबेला साजन आ
Very good, Samanyu. क्या बात है? Fantastic. I don't know how do you remember this wali cheez hai. I really don't know how you remember that. Good, good. Shabash. Okay. Now those who did not get a chance. Veda, you did not get a chance? Okay.
Ma'am, I have not really done this pose many times.
And 2 minutes tak cheyagలను kada. నేను ma'am 1 minute అని చెప్పి.
This is a dress, so it will be hard.
Anshika, you can keep yourself on mute, beta. Hey Veda, what happened?
Ma'am, can you see it?
आराम से. You know, you have to be very gentle with your body. आराम से करो, कोई गड़बड़ नहीं. If you are doing yoga poses, you should do under observation of your elders or your teachers.
I can do it with both my feet.
Okay, आराम से.
Then, ma'am, I can also do a split, but it's a dress.
ठीक है ना, कोई बात नहीं. Next time, not a problem. 1 second. Now, who is remaining? Dhwani is remaining. Cherry did. Dhwani. Where did my musical instrument वाले बच्चे go रे अचानक से?
Yes, ma'am. I don't really know how to play ukulele, but can I try?
नहीं. Wait. Yes, beta. Dhwani. Oh my goodness. That's amazing. Zabardast. आराम से ध्वनि, आराम से ध्वनि. You know, that's excellent. Okay. Must. Please do it only if you're going for some classes. Okay. But okay, guidance से करो, otherwise मत करो. Sharvi, did you get a chance? अच्छा, अरे तो boys party. Avnish is remaining. Come on, Avnish.
Yes, ma'am. I'm actually taking the songs because I don't think you know the songs because it's just like tunes. So I'm going.
Na. You know,
No, ma'am.
music has its own language.
Ma'am, and I wanted to say something. I didn't piano for a while, but I have legit recorded it by myself.
Okay.
All the songs. I will play the recorded song, ma'am, please, because
Okay.
I can't remember and I can't.
Okay, one song you can play. I think Ayushi also. Ayushi, switch on the video. Veda, Arnav, Raksha, please switch on the videos. Children.
Yes,
Avnish, start kar bada.
Okay, ma'am. To the normal version. Ma'am, can I hear?
The volume is very low actually. We are not able to hear. Children, last 5-10 minutes I'm going to talk to your parents also. So you can call your parents.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, this is a bit long. I will play my. This is different song.
Anaga कुठे पाहते? I think that's a good try, Avnish. You need little bit of more practice, है ना?
Yes, ma'am. Like, I mean, after this recording also, I played a little bit good sometimes. But
you need little bit of practice, okay? Raksha, not now. Maybe another 5 minutes. We have not danced yet. We'll first dance and then we will call our parents. Okay? So let's have okay. Now you can tell me which song to play. Come on. Okay, I can wait. I can just unmute you all. You can unmute yourself, children. Tell me.
I want to sing the song. Can we play? Ma'am, is it fine if we can do a group? Can we do a group performance?
You all have to do your own dance only. You just have to tell me the song to play.
Can I sing a song?
No, Tanishka, everyone got just one chance. Tanishka, we don't have.
Can I tell? Ma'am, can me and my school friends decide a song because we have...
No. Come on, just say the song.
Any song. Any song works.
Any song is fine.
Can I
So
tell?
today morning I came to know about a Freeze song. You know, other than me, everyone was aware of that song. I will play that Freeze
Which
song.
song?
Freeze.
Ah.
I did not know about it. Okay.
Ma'am,
I'll
see,
play it.
this is not me.
Or you can do your splits. Come on, you can do your splits. Sharvi, get up. Are we done?
Ma'am, I can't. Ma'am, most people didn't dance. Ma'am, I danced. Ma'am, me and Anshika were only doing floss.
Yeah, I can see that. I could see that. That's okay. That's okay. Okay. Hello, Tanishka's parents.
Hello, ma'am.
So, Tanishka enjoyed the summer camp?
She thoroughly enjoyed the summer camp and she is actually looking forward for more of such sessions. She was actually yesterday asking, can this be extended further, because she wanted to, do tireless cooking and dance and do a lot of things with you. So I think these summer camps are a lifesaver for parents more than the kid.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. Thank you so much for this session and we look forward for more such sessions.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah. Hello, Raksha's mama.
Ma'am,
So,
she's coming.
she talks very less actually, but then she talks very less. थोड़ा सा और push करना पड़ेगा उसको. Maybe it's a new country for her, so that could be the reason.
She generally talks very less, but if she mingle, she like she make the relation like a very friendly relation. But because it's a new environment, that's why maybe she is very less speaking now.
Yeah. It's a new environment for her, so we can't expect कि एकदम से mix हो जाए. But yes, the last few days she was like very friendly and very talkative. She became.
More sessions. She was asking me, Mama, our teacher told me she is getting new sessions, so I want to join it. So I was like, okay, if you want to join. She loved all the sessions, everything.
Yeah. Thank you, ma'am. So अभी drawing class में तो मिलती रहेगी. She will keep
drawing classes. Yeah. And अगर आप और session ले रहे हैं तो वो उसमें भी join हो जाएगी.
Paka. I will let you know. Yeah.
About it.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah. Parents actually, I myself Snehal Chandak Sarda. I take different workshops. Usually the summer camps are at my home, and whenever there are summer camps, I meet parents every day while picking up the kids or dropping the kids. All the parents we talk every day almost. But this is all a virtual thing now these days. So I thought I will just, at least on the last day, I will come face to face to the parents. एक बार बात करूं मैं भी उनसे मिल लूं, वो भी मुझसे मिल ले, एटलीस्ट वील कम टू नो. कभी मिल गए तुलसी बाग में समटाइम, तो एटलीस्ट वी शुड कम टू नो, अरे ये तो मेरी बच्ची है एंड इसकी मम्मा है. Yeah, so that is the reason actually I thought I will just call you all for last 5 to 10 minutes. Yeah, hi Sharyu's mama. Yeah, I am trying to unmute you. Yeah.
Hi.
So enjoyed, Sharyu enjoyed the sessions?
हाँ, शरयू ने बहुत एंजॉय किया. अभी उससे तो लग रहा है खत्म ही ना हो पाए ये क्लास.
Yeah, they were telling me because these are holidays na, and otherwise also school is giving homework, but then fun sessions नहीं होता है. So
हाँ, उनका उतना ही टाइम पास हो रहा था, लेकिन
that is what they said कि उतना ही अच्छा टाइम पास हो रहा था. Even
अच्छा
I
लेकिन
feel good.
एक्टिव भी हो रहे थे बच्चे बहुत.
Yeah.
और उनका बहुत ग्रुप है ना उसमें, ये क्लास में उसका पूरा गोयंका का ग्रुप है उनका.
Right.
फ्रेंड्स का.
Yes.
इसीलिए
मैं ना वैसे काफी कोशिश की कि मैं उनको साथ में ना रखूं, because I want them all to make friends with others also.
Okay.
They are good friends that I can see. एक इधर से बोला कि उधर से सपोर्ट करता है, उधर से कोई बोला इधर से सपोर्ट करता है.
वो पूरे 4 या 5 जन का ग्रुप है उनका.
Right. Yes.
बहुत अच्छा, लेकिन आपने भी बहुत अच्छा मतलब ये किया है उनको सपोर्ट.
Yeah. Thank you, ma'am.
एंजॉय कर रहे थे बच्चे.
Yes, thank you, ma'am.
और कल का भी बहुत टेम्पटिंग था, मतलब उससे पहले मुझे ही खाने का मन कर रहा था.
Yes. Actually, हम लोग ने छोटे बच्चों के बैच में एक फायरलेस कुकिंग का सेशन किया, but for this batch I did not mention fireless cooking. So I just casually said कि fireless cooking, do you want to do it? And everyone was so excited, and it was very unexpected. मैंने बोला यार इनको तो मैंने बोला ही नहीं, I will take. And so we planned very suddenly कि एक सेशन करते हैं. So I have one more recipe for you all. If we plan one more summer camp ना, वो वाला तो super duper hit है रेसिपी. We will give it a try. वो वाला भी पसंद आएगा सबको.
एक्चुअली उसके पापा और उसकी दादी भी और मांग रही थी, फिर उसने क्लास के बाद फिर से बनाया.
Yes.
अच्छा लग रहा था वो.
Yeah, actually all the kids, all the parents gave same feedback for this. So I think they are doing independently ना, इसलिए भी शायद उनको मजा आ रहा है. Hi Sharvi's mama. She's waiting from long ऐसे बैठ के. Hello ma'am. So Sharvi enjoyed the classes?
Yeah, she did, and like everybody, parents, I can resonate to this. It's like taking them off our hands for at least 2.5 hours. So they just enjoyed it, and
she loves dancing. She loves dancing a lot. Every day in the class, at least इतना तो move करना ही है उसको.
She just cannot sit in one place. She's
That's okay.
पैसे का लौटा है वो.
No, that's okay. That's perfectly fine. You know, we can't expect them to sit in front of the screen for so long.
And actually, this is the only, what do you say, they can interact or they can meet someone or see someone else out of the house, because here we can't even go out now.
Yeah, that's true.
And it's been since 1.5 months they're in the house, absolutely stuck in the house.
Yeah, I know. Even today, my son sent a message on the group, 5 o'clock, anyone for cycling? And we are like, what? He's saying, 2 महीना हो गया नीचे नहीं गया हूँ मम्मा. They all are getting bored.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Thank you for your efforts.
Welcome, ma'am.
Hi, Vaishu. Hi, Sonali.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Okay. Hello, Veda's mama.
Hi. Now, Snehal, we have to call like that as Sneha's mama or Veda's mama.
No, for all the parents, I'm doing it. So I know.
College mate, okay. We were in the IT is the same batch.
So Veda enjoyed the sessions.
Yeah. She loved it. She was looking forward for the session all the time.
Good. So I just thought I will.
So you give a feedback to our kids. How were they?
Kids are always good. I mean, I just love to be with kids. मुझे kids में कभी कुछ गड़बड़ दिखता ही नहीं है. So they are doing good actually. They are doing good. Just थोड़ा सा tough time चल रहा है. They're not able to go outside, and also whatever they get, and they have tremendous power of grasping. Matlab, if I tell them something, they will know at least one step further. So you have to be prepared with much more detailed things. They will always have something extra to add. मैं अगर 100% रेडी करके जाऊँ ना, प्रिपरेशन करके जाऊँ, उधर से सामने से आता है 20%, and then I'm like, हाँ, okay, अच्छा, okay, ऐसा भी है क्या? Okay. So I think that is the best part of working with kids. We get to know few more things from them only.
Right.
Chalo, okay, chalo. Thank you, Veda's mama. Dhwani's mama. You know, every day what I used to say, Dhwani, Dhwani, तुम्हारी ध्वनि नहीं आ रही है. Please speak loudly.
Yeah, but actually from day one, she has really been looking forward to each session, though sometimes it was challenging for her because she is one child who will not, open up and talk. But this session particularly, I would say that she has enjoyed it a lot and she has looked forward to each session every day. So thank you so much, Snehal. It was wonderful and she has enjoyed it a lot. So let's see how it goes further.
Sure. Even we were discussing, na, thoda sa. But there is one thing about Dhwani, na, she will not, she will not say, I want to answer. But if you ask her, she will answer it very properly. I mean, she's well prepared. She's a well prepared child.
Yes. She does that. But yeah, she what I expect her from her is she should interact with most of them. She should get friendly. But that is one thing where she's lagging. But otherwise, she's very well prepared. And for a change, I saw that she was comfortable with you. So that was one thing that I noticed with her, and I was happy about it.
Yeah, thank you.
So thank you, and it was lovely that my child was occupied with you. So it was nice. Thanks a lot.
Yeah. Thanks, dear. Thank you so much. Hello, Anshika.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, sir. So, Anshika enjoyed the sessions?
Yeah, I think she enjoyed very much. We have been observing her enjoying, deeply involved with the conversations with you. So, I hope she has enjoyed a lot. And somehow we managed to engage her, at least a couple of hours every day.
Yeah, I have told them if we plan one more summer camp, it will be for alternate days, because I have observed one thing about this particular batch. If they are well prepared, they are performing excellent. Okay, if they are well prepared. But if I give them something on the spot, thoda gadbad hai. So they can't perform immediately. Maybe it will need some practice. We can't say ki nahi hoga. Yes, but it needs practice. But if we give them one day advance notice, you have to do this next day and just guide them how to do it. They are performing really nice. Especially role play thing, they did very fantastic. Ad was okay, but role play was must. I thoroughly enjoyed it. Yeah. Okay, thank you, sir. Anyone's parents remaining? Anagha, Arnav, Koni yenare ka? Avnish?
My parents are sleeping actually.
Oh, okay. Tell them I miss them.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है. Chalo, okay, switch on the videos. Come on, I will try to take a print screen which is not working somehow. I don't know why. Because the memory is full. Let's take a group picture and then we will end the meeting. Switch on the videos, children. Come on.
Switch on.
Are hai na Avnish, Arnav, Raksha. Tanishka, focus on yourself, Babu. Okay, Samanyu, where are you? We are taking a group picture. Look at Sharvi. Okay. If mothers are there, it's okay. If they come in the picture, it's okay. Anaga, sit properly. I can't see your face.
Arnav, Mama bolao. Arnav.
Mama is sleeping, he said.
No. That was Anagha.
No, even for Avnish, he said. Arnav, someone said class mein hai. Acha, yes. I think she came and went, might be. Okay, let's take a picture first. Everyone smile, come on. Raksha, you are not there. Come on. If you are there, come quickly. Anshika, look at the camera. Oh, you can come in this window. Oh my, this thing is not working somehow. Okay, smile everyone. Thank you. I think I have spoken with most of the parents. Only Arnav's parents are remaining. Those who wish to log out can log out. And I'm going to miss you all, children. Please keep calling, sending me audio messages. Okay?
Okay.
Thank you, Snehal. It was wonderful. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Yeah, Arnav's parents, you can just stay back for 1 minute. Bye-bye, everyone.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, bachcho.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Bye, bacha.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Ma'am, thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, baby.
And I made it for my parents once again. So they were also like, they wanted to it. So I made it once again.
Acha, that's nice, bacha. Very good. Make some other time for me and send it to me also to Wakad.
Okay, okay.
Chalo. Okay, bacha. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Hello, Arnav's parents.
Hi.
Arnav's mama. So enjoyed the sessions?
Yeah, he enjoyed. He enjoyed. He is also looking forward for another session, huh?
But you know, for him, I'm worried for only one thing. He is using, I think, 2 devices. So he's always looking up to the neck में pain होगा.
Okay, we are working on it and we are getting new tab for him.
Okay.
His computer's microphone is not working.
He told me that technical problem. He told me.
Yeah.
No, I'm just worried about his neck. बाकी कुछ problem नहीं है. I don't have any issues. Just for his neck.
Yeah, I have connected actually my laptop to the TV.
Okay.
Okay, so because laptop screen is not working, but it's black out.
Okay.
Okay,
so
that's
no problem. No problem.
Camera is there and we are looking there.
I know. I see him seeing there, but I know he is attentive. So ठीक है, चलता है. So Arnav Babu enjoyed all the sessions.
Yes.
Which was your favorite one?
Travel story.
Travel story. That's nice. ठीक है. So it was fun working with all the kids.
Oh.
Yeah. चलेगा. ठीक है, ma'am. So I will keep you posted.
Chalo, okay. Bye.
Yeah. Thank you. Bye. Bye, बच्चे.
Bye.
Bye, बच्चा.